Hello guys, my name is Esther. You're welcome. Okay guys, this is how to sign request. Same signing as answer. Bring your two palms and bring it upwards this way. Yes, request or answer. Request or answer. Okay, next. Okay guys, so when you want to sign question, this is how to sign question. Very simple guys. Now draw the question mark on the A, on the A. Draw the question mark on the A. Question. Okay, very simple. Next. Okay guys, so when you want to sign answer, you give us your both index finger and bring it down this way. Answer. Okay, very simple. Okay, next. Okay guys, so when you want to sign in, for instance, in the house, okay, in, just give us this in, okay, very simple. See that? In, yes. Next. Okay guys, so when you want to sign out, you give us this. You give us your in first and then bring your hand out. You see this? Out, out, out. Very simple guys. In, out, in, out. Okay, next. Okay guys, so when you want to sign up and down, okay, this is up, up, down, up, down, down. Very simple. Okay, next. When you want to sign open, this is how to sign open. Yes, open. You see that? Open. Very simple. Open. Okay? Yes. Next. Okay, guys. So when you want to sign close, give us the same sign. Okay, guys. So this is close. Okay? Yes. Open, close. Open, close. Very simple. Next. Okay guys, so when you want to sign good, same signing as thank you. Okay, this is how to sign it. See that? Good. Okay, thank you. Yeah, the same thing guys. Next. Okay guys, so when you want to sign bad, give us this. Let your face express how you feel, okay? Yes. Give us that facial expression on your face. Good, bad, okay? Your face, good. Don't do this, okay? Good, yes, and keep smiling, okay? Next. Okay, guys, so when you want to sign fast, very simple, guys. Give us this. You see this? Yes, fast, fast. Very simple, guys. Okay. Yes. Give us this. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. You can say be fast. Be fast. Okay. Next. Okay, guys. So when you want to sign slow, when you want to sign slow, this is how to sign it. Give us this. You see that? Slow, slow, slow. Okay? Yes. Slow. Yes. Slow, slow, slow. Thank you.